Hi guys, so in this section here we're going to run through the Herbalife marketing plan. Okay, so we're going to run through a few slides and I'm just going to basically explain to you how the marketing plan works. Okay, so what is direct selling? So direct selling, first off, is normal. So normal businesses, the manufacturer will produce the product. It will then go to a wholesaler, then onto the retailer, and then it will hit the final consumer. Okay. So with direct selling, the i.e. Herbalife manufacture the product. It then comes direct to us as Herbalife members, and we pass it on to the end customer, the end user. Okay. So, the Herbalife Independent Distributor Compensation Plan, which we refer to as a Herbalife marketing plan, pays out up to 73% product revenues to distributors. Okay, so as a Herbalife Independent Distributor, you can become eligible to earn from 6 areas of potential income and incentives. So, you have retail profit, you have wholesale profit, you have royalty overrides, you have monthly production bonus, you also have the annual bonus, the Mark Hughes bonus, and you also have promotions as well. So different promotions, holidays, gifts, etc. So first off, we'll start off here. So as you become a member distributor, the average earnings are 0 to £500 per month. So 25% retail profit on sales made to customers. So average customer spends between £200 and £500 per month. So next level is supervisor. Now average earnings are between 500 and 5,000 per month, and you get 50% retail profit on sales made to customers, and then you also get a 25% wholesale profit on distributors and 5% royalty income on supervisors in your first 3 lines. Okay, so what that means is when you become a supervisor, you get 50% retail profit, and then as you start building a team and your team are working sort of like alongside you, they'll be getting 25% and you'll be getting the other 25%. So Herbalife will pay you the other 25%. So let's say, for instance, they make a sale of £100, they will make £25, and then Herbalife will push up the other 25% to you. Okay, so that's your wholesale profit. Next one is Get Team. So this is when it starts getting exciting, guys. This is when, you know, the big money really kicks in. Okay, so average earnings are 2,000 to 10,000 per month. You get your 50% retail profit on sales made to customers. You get your 25% wholesale profit on distributors, and you get a 7% royalty income from your supervisors in your first 3 lines. You also get a 2% royalty income on everybody else in your downline to infinity. Okay. Now, next one up is Meal Team. So average earnings are 5,000 to 20,000 per month, 50% retail, profit on sales made to customers, and then again you get your 25% wholesale profit, but your royalty bumps up to 9%, and then it bumps up to 4% royalty income on everybody else in your downline to infinity. Okay. Next one is Pres Team. So average earnings here are sort of like really, really big numbers, guys. So 15 to 100,000 per month. So 50% retail again. You get your 25% wholesale profit, and then your royalty goes up to 11%. Okay, and then 6% royalty income on everybody else in your downline to infinity. So at these levels here, guys. So Pres Team, Meal Team, Get Team. Yeah, they are possible to get to, but they're not typical. Okay, all right. So what you got to remember, these are not typical. If you're looking to, you know, really make some serious money and you have a big why, you're going to get here, guys. Okay, all right. A lot of people they don't reach these levels because they just don't see the importance of the business, or you know, they can't seem to sort of like, you know, get their head round sort of like how easy it is to sort of like make this type of money. It is easy to make. it's just not typical. Okay, so this is sort of like the top 1% of the company are in these three sections here. Okay, guys. So understanding a little bit about sort of like how the rewards work, etc. So basically, they basically set up a reward point. So all products have a volume point. So similar to sort of Nectar points, Tesco club cards, air miles, etc. So the more points you get, the more that you're sort of like awarded, all right? And what they've done is the volume point is basically a Herbalife currency. So when you buy a product, you will get volume points going onto your account. And when team members buy product, you will also get volume points coming up from them to your account as well. Okay, so one volume point equals $1. Now the reason it is done in US dollars is because we're now in 97 countries, and to keep tab of different currencies would have been really difficult. So they've stuck to the US dollar, which makes sense. Okay, all right. So one volume point equals $1. Okay, so collect points or order in bulk and get up to 50% wholesale price. All right, so as you sort of like get into the business, you'll understand this. Okay, so everything has a volume point attached to it, so every product. Okay, so when we start off in the marketing plan, we become in as a distributor and we get 25% discount. Now your next level up is senior consultant. Now at that level you get 35% discount. So what you have to do is you have to do a 500 volume point order in 1 month to get to the 35% discount, and that discount will stay with you. Okay, so next level up is Success Builder. Now that is a one-off order of 1,000 volume points and you get a 42% discount. Now this again, okay, is a one-off order, so in a 1 month period, okay, you will then get the 42% discount. Next one up is Qualified Producer. So 2,500 volume points accumulated in 1 to 3 months will give you a permanent 42% discount. So this one here, guys, is a temporary 42% discount, and this one here is a permanent 42% discount. Next level up, Supervisor. So this is the one that you really want to be at. Okay, so Supervisor is what I advise team members to get to. Okay, so it's really the beginning of where it all begins. Okay, so Supervisor, 4,000 volume points in 1 to 12 months. Okay, you get your 50% discount. All right, now the reason I say this is the place to be, because retail discount maximum anybody can get, no matter what level you're at, Get Team, Pres Team, wherever you are, you only get a 50% retail discount. Now the reason I say get here straight away is because the work that you do here, you get 25% discount. And the work that you do here is the same as what you do here, but you get a 50% discount. So it just makes sense really to get to Supervisor, because you're going to do the same work at Supervisor level as you are down here as a distributor. The only difference is here you're getting 25% discount, and up here you're getting 50% discount. So it just makes sense really, guys. Next level this month, Supervisor. Okay, so your main aim this month is getting to Supervisor. Okay, so once we're at Supervisor, we then go on to World Team, and then from World Team we go to Active World Team, and then from Active World Team we get to Get Team, and then from Get Team we get to Millionaires Team, and then from Millionaires Team we go to Pres Team. All right, I'm not going to touch on all this at the moment because it will be a little bit overwhelming. What we need to focus on, guys, is this section here. All right, and really this is where we want to be. Okay, so this month, remember, focus on Supervisor. Okay, get to Supervisor, and then we'll run through the rest of this. Okay, so a little bit of an example at Supervisor level. All right, so this is you. Now you're getting your retail profit at 50%. So 20 customers spending £150 each per month equals £3,000 at 50%. So you will get a £1,500 profit. Okay. Wholesale profit. So this will be team members, okay? So you have 10 distributors at 25% level selling £200 of product each month, okay? Equals £2,000. So you will get 25% of that come up to you, which gives you £500 profit, all right? Next one is your royalty override at 5%. So this is when you start getting supervisors doing what you're doing, okay? So you have 10 supervisors doing £3,000 each per month. So they will be doing this here, okay? And then that total will be 30,000 times, 5% will give you £1,500 profit, okay guys? So with this section here, you might have 15 customers, you might have 20 customers, some customers might be spending a little less than 150 and some might be spending, more. So, this can change, guys. And as it says here, please note, there's no limit to the number of customers or distributors, supervisors that you can have, okay? So you can have as many as you want, all right? Also, you have different bonuses, you have free holidays, you have annual bonuses, and also Herbalife give away 1% of the turnover, which is about £75 million, okay guys? So if you can, conquer this section here and, get to pretty much, what this displays, you will earn a total of £3,500 per month, okay? So this is the basics of the marketing plan, guys. Have a sort of like run through it, have a little look through it. What I'll do is I'll put some of these forms up for you so you can sort of like download and print these sections off, okay? All right, but really what we need to focus on this month, guys, is supervisor level. So we're going to be focusing on supervisor level this month, okay?